Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more awesome tips like this. Today, let's talk about something you probably see every single day, but might not think too much about: your office space. Believe it or not, the way you keep it says a lot about you. First up, professionalism. A clean office instantly shows that you respect yourself and the people around you. When a client or coworker walks in and sees everything neat, it sends the message that you mean business. Second, it's all about productivity. Have you ever tried working with papers, pens, and random stuff all over your desk? Total chaos, right? A clean space helps your brain focus, so you get more done without the stress. Third, let's talk health. Offices can be germ magnets, keyboards, desks, even that coffee cup you've been using all week. Keeping your space clean reduces dust, germs, and allergies so you and your team can stay healthier and take fewer sick days. Fourth, remember, first impressions last. The moment someone steps into your office, they're already forming an opinion. A messy space might say unorganized, but a tidy one? That says I'm on top of my game. And finally, motivation. Walking into a fresh, clutter-free office just feels good. It gives you energy, keeps you in a positive mood, and sets you up for a productive day. So, the next time you look around your desk, ask yourself, what story is it telling? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs a little office cleaning motivation. See you in the next one!